welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyong mga Cancer. Kung ano mga naghihintay para sa inyo ngayong 2025 Cancer. Kaya tutok na Cancer, okay? So, Cancer, paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonant for you. Alright, so universe, what is your message for Cancer para ngayong 2025? So, excited ka na ba Cancer kung ano mga dapat mong malaman ngayong 2025? So, universe, show me now what is your message for Cancer para sa 2025. Ay, Cancer. Wow. Big transformation ng mga Cancer. Oh, may psychic abilities ang mga Cancer din. So, Cancer, may mga calling kayo, Cancer, okay? Some of you ay may mga tadhana, no, na hindi nyo pa nagampanan. Okay. So, Cancer, big transformation ngayong 2025. Some of you ay handa nyo nang tanggalin ang mga toxic na mga tao sa buhay mo. Ready mo nang tahakin din ang bagong buhay mo ngayong 2025, Cancer. Some of you may mga kontrata, may mga kasunduan ngayong 2025, no? Trabaho ba, negosyo ba, or kung ano man yan. So, some of you ay may big celebration na mangyayari ngayong 2025. So, this is big transformation. Of course, may malaking celebration na mangyayari, no, sa ating buhay, Cancer. So, some of you you are very protected ng ating Panginoon. Ng ating mga Archangel Michael is Cancer. Some of you ay napaka-close mo ng ating Panginoon, ng ating angels guide, ng ating spirit guide, at ng ating ancestors. Ikaw ay connected ng ating mga ancestors, ng ating mga angels guide, ating mga angels, ng ating mga spirit guide, something like that. So, some of you ay nilalapitan. Some of you you are the great tarot reader ngayong 2025 Cancer. Yes, some of you ay maraming maghingi sa inyo na advice, no? Lumalapit sa inyo mga Cancer. So, some of you ay may psychic abilities. Magaling na tarot reader, card reader, whatever, kung ano man yung mga reader na yan. Alright. So, be careful also, Cancer, ngayong 2025, no? Yes, may tao ditong na-upset sa inyo, or either this is you. Something, may mga offer ka dito na tinalikuran mo, Cancer, ngayong 2025. Or may mga karamdaman ka ditong iniindang dahil may mga taong pinapahulaan ka, pinapagawan ka ng mga black magic. So, use protection, Cancer, alright? Yes, so may mga calling din kayong mga Cancer ngayong 2025. So, bigyan mo ng pansin ang mga numbers na pabalik-balik. Bigyan mo ng pansin ang mga sounds na pabalik-balik, mga advice, something, no? Yan ay mga message na galing sa inyo ng ating mga angel or ating mga spirit guide, Cancer. Yeah, so justice is with you. Makukuha mo kung anong gusto mo, Cancer. Ngayong 2025. Some of you ay balance ang iyong energy. Yes, so some of you ay may mga tinalikuran na as I told you, may tinalikuran kayo na mga taong hindi deserve sa buhay mo. May mga offer din na pinapalampas mo, Cancer. Yes, so bigyan mo ng pansin ang mga offer na yan, Cancer, okay? Some of you ay binigyan ng tadhana ng ating Panginoon, no? To heal people, Cancer. Mga sensitive, mga broken-hearted, something. Magaling ka dyan, Cancer. Kaya gamitin mo na kung hindi mo pa alam, or some of you ay ginagamit na. Yes. So, kung anong mga hustisya, mga gusto mo sa buhay ngayon 2025, you can get it, Cancer. Okay. So, Cancer, you shine like the sun ngayong 2025. Makilala ang mga Cancer. Some of you ay balik na ang kalakasan, no? Balik ang kabataan. As I've told you, may big transformation dito sa mga Cancer. Kung ikaw ay may edad na, kumbaga, bumata ang ating itsura, ang ating kalakasan, or balik na ba ang ating good health sa buhay, something like that, no? Kung tayo ay may karamdaman, like that. Okay, so some of you mga Cancer ay kung nung una ay kayo ay nalugmok sa kahirapan, nagsuffer sa kahirapan or whatever, or nagsuffer sa mga sakit, Cancer, shine like a sun ang kayo ngayong 2025. Kumbaga makikita mo na ang araw, Cancer. Masisinagan ka na rin ng araw, Cancer. Alright. Yes. So, may mga third party ngayong 2025 na iyuhang mararanasan cancer, no? So, this is not for everybody. Take what is resonant for you. Alright. So, may tao din dito cancer na nasaktan or nadurog ang puso, no? Yes, dahil nakikita nila na ang cancer is still shining. Still, kumbaga nasisikatan na ng araw ang mga cancer. No, dahil gusto nilang ikaw ay maging homeless. Gusto nila ikaw ay maging walang-wala. Kaawa-awa sa mundo. But now, cancer sun is sumisinag na para sa inyo mga cancer. Yes, nasisikatan ka na ng araw. So, this is big fun sa mga cancer ngayong 2025. Malaking kasiyahan. Yeah, ang mga cancer. Full of happiness and excited ang mga cancer ngayong 2025. Alright. Yeah, kaya medyo may na-upset dito. May nagalit, no? Hindi tumalab ang pinapagawa sa inyo mga cancer. May mga tao din dito cancer na marunong sa mga tarot reader, no? Or marunong sa gumagawa ng black magic. Kaya pinapagawaan ka ng mga ganyan. Pero hindi tumatalab dahil you are protected. Okay. Archangel Michael is with you. Maginoo ka, madasalin ka. Kaya all the angels, spirit guide, ang ating ancestors, ay suportado ka, cancer. Okay. So, some of you makatanggap ng bagong bahay ngayong 2025. Kumbaga, may mga loan dito na na-approve, may mga sasakyan na na-approve, something, or may mga opisina kayo ngayong 2025, no? This is susi, no? Susi ba ng opisina, bahay, or sasakyan? Or kung ano man yan, okay? Yes. So, you are brave and hero, Cancer. Like a lion, you have also a gift of courage. May kakayanan ka, Cancer, to become a leader. You're brave. Yes. Walang makakatapat sa iyong pagka-brave, Cancer. Okay. Yes. Like a lion. So, be careful, Cancer, sa mga illegal matters sa 2025, no? Because you have the Tower card here. The Tower card is imprisonment. Kaya, huwag tayong gumagawa ng mga labag sa batas ngayong 2025 hanggat kaya nating pigilan, okay? So, be careful also, Cancer, may mga taong gusto kang pabagsakin, gusto kang tanggalan sa pwesto, trono, or whatever. Kaya, use protection also, okay? Cancer. So, some of you ay may mga mind-blowing ngayong 2025. Mga shocking news. Oh, yes. So, some of you ay full of excited, full of happiness ngayong 2025. Yes, umaapaw na blessings din ang mga cancer. Sobrang-sobra ang blessings ng mga cancer ngayong 2025. Kaya shine like a sun ang mga cancer sa 2025. Yes, may mga nasaktan dito. Cancer. Sa pagka-shine mo. May nasaktan dito dahil ikaw ay brave. May big transformation. Kaya medyo na-upset ang ating mga hiding enemies dito, no? You have hiding enemies here. Yeah, so may mga potential talent ka rin, Cancer, na madi-discover ngayong 2025. Some of you ay saksi ang buwan sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, Cancer. Yes, saksi ang buwan, malatele-sere ang mga buhay ng mga Cancer. Kaya saksi ang buwan sa lahat ng iyong mga sakripisyo, Cancer. Yeah, this is the time now na you shine like a sun. Okay, sa 2025. So, may paparating na offer. Okay. Keep it yourself kung anong meron ka. Sikreto, plano, idea, source of income. Dahil may mga hiding enemies dito, no? Yes. So, keep it yourself also, Cancer, for your future, no? Huwag na magbigay ng magbigay lagi, okay? Yes. So, you overcome the difficulties ngayong 2025. Walampasan mo ang lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. As I've told you, sisikat na ang araw ng mga Cancer sa 2025. Some of you ay magkakaroon ng sasakyan. Oh, again, you have a susi here, a key, no? So, some of you magkakaroon ng bahay, some of you magkakaroon ng sasakyan, no? Take what is resonant for you, Cancer, okay? Yes, victorious ang mga Cancer din. Again, you have this card, victorious. You are victorious. So, kaliwarang tanggap ng mga Cancer ngayong 2025. See, infinity ang mga source of income na ito, Cancer. So, Cancer, kung tayo naman ay makatanggap ng malaking pera sa 2025, no? Sharing is caring, okay? So, share also sa ating kung anong meron tayo, Cancer, okay? Yes. Kahit konti-konti lang sa ating part of the family, sa ating nanay, tatay, baka mahiya lang maging sa atin, no? Baka may mga iniindang na karamdaman, whatever, kung ano man yan. Kaya, huwag mo ring ibaliwala ang ating mga mahal sa buhay, okay? Cancer, kung anong mga blessing na maparating sa buhay mo. So, you have the Ace of Pentacles. So, this is new financial coming ngayong 2025. This is confirmation, no? Na may mga kaliwarang tanggap ng mga Cancer ngayong 2025. Kaliwang part-time job, source of income, whatever. So, this is prosperity, wealthy, healthy, and abundance, Cancer. Sa 2025. Alright, claim it. Yes. Brave and hero. You are the hero of your family, Cancer. You are the one save your family. No? Yes. You are the great warrior, Cancer. No? Yeah, you are the great warrior. You're victorious. Yes. Sa pakikibaka sa buhay, no? That's what I mean. Kumbaga, ikaw, grabe, brave ka. Kumbaga, nakayanan mo ang mga bagay na hindi kaya ng ibang tao. That's why you are brave and hero. So, maraming nakikipagkupitin sa din sa mga Cancer. Maraming nagagawan din sa inyong puso. Kung pag-uusapan ng pag-ibig. Maraming pag-away-away tungkol sa property. Tungkol sa trabaho ba, posisyon, something. Kaya may mga tao dito, Cancer, na gusto kang pabagsakin. Okay. But God our Father is with you. He is in your side. Okay, see? Kung pag-uusapan natin ang spiritually. Yes, God our Father is with you, guiding you, protecting you, Cancer. Kung pag-uusapan natin ang earth, this is father figure, matured man, something na handang tulungan ka. Either your father, your big brother, your cousin, your boss, something like that, no? Yes, na handang tulungan ka, Cancer. So, Cancer, magkakaroon ka ng yaman, karangyaan sa buhay, success, nang dahil sa iyong pagka-ikaw. Dahil sa iyong pagka-masipag, active, creative, something, no? Smart, something like that, no? Yeah, so some of you ay stable ang job ng mga Cancer sa 2025. Wealthy, prosperity, like royalty ang mga Cancer ngayong 2025. So, Cancer, may tao ditong something galit sa mga Cancer. No? This is from foreign country. Kumbaga sa ibang country. Alright. Yeah. So, some of you mga Cancer ay may nagagalit sa inyo, no? This is like matured man, Cancer. Yes. Either this is your ex, something, no? Or may tao bang nagagalit sa iyo, hindi mo pinapansin, baka ito yung manliligaw, whatever. Yes. So, Cancer, kung ikaw ay mother, you are a good model as a mother ngayong 2025. You are humble, you are kind, something. Yeah, as I've told you, you are the earth angel, you are also the hero of your family. So, some of you ay napakapasensyoso. Some of you ay prosperity, wealthy, and abundance ang mga Cancer. Again and again, this prosperity and abundance ay nasa iyong baraha, Cancer, ngayong 2025. So, masagana ang buhay ng mga Cancer. So, you have also mother figure dito, Cancer, na medyo nagagalit sa inyo. Yeah, this is father and this is like mother figure. Mga may edad na, no? Kaya, I don't know, jealous person, maybe, nainggit sa iyong source of income, something. Kaya, use protection at laging alerto. Okay? Laging mapagmasid, Cancer. Huwag masyadong kumpiyansa sa sarili dahil you have hiding enemies here. Alright, so medyo emotional ang mga Cancer ngayong 2025. Hindi makapaniwala sa mga nangyari sa buhay, sa mga success na nangyayari, mga wish ninyo, hindi ka makapaniwala kaya medyo emotional ang mga Cancer. Yes. So this is your bottom of the deck. Freedom. May kalayaan kang gawin lahat ng gusto mo, Cancer, sa buhay. You have also good news and good omen, Cancer. Okay. Yes, ngayong 2025, as I've told you, may mga shocking news sa mga Cancer. Mind-blowing ngayong 2025. Alright, yes. So, additional message for Cancer. 2025. Okay. So, if you can see 7-7 Cancer, you are following advice from your angel. You are the right path to achieving your goals and success. So 7-7 also is wealthy is on the way or something new is happening for you, Cancer, ngayong 2025. Your dream is coming true, Cancer. Yes. You are the good provider. They don't want you to be win, Cancer. But you're victorious. What can I do? God our Father is with you. Who will be against you, Cancer? So 222, trust the process. Everything that is meant to be will happen for you. For happen, find your inner peace, Cancer. Evil doesn't exist sa mga Cancer. Of course, God our Father is with you. Who will be against you? You born to be a celebrity, Cancer. You born to be a celebrity. Don't forget to the people, Cancer, who be there in times you are sad, crying, and feeling down. Alright. Huwag mong kalimutan ang mga taong yan. 111, intuition. Trust your gut and listen to your heart. Follow your heart, Cancer. Alright, you have freedom. Magawa mo lahat ng gusto mo, Cancer. So clear your space, Cancer. It's already been done kung ano man yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Mga ninanais mo, Cancer. Sister-in-law is jealous. Abundance, prosperity is on the way. You will receive a miracle in your life, Cancer, ngayong 2025. Yes. So be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord God goes with you. He will never leave you, nor forsake you. You were born to be a legend, Cancer. May mga gawain ka na hindi makakalimutan ng iyong pamilya. Wake up, Cancer. 888 balance, eat healthy food, maaga matulog, bigyan mo rin ng pansin ang iyong sarili. So break the cycle. You are the one broke the course, Cancer. They hate you to see you shine. Works with crystals. So 222, this means you are in the right place and in the right time, Cancer. So if you can see 333, this means you use your inner strength to keep going your way. Again, if you can see 555, Cancer, this means let it go of what is not serving you. Release it and understand that you will be replaced with better. If you can see 888 also, Cancer, financial, material, abundance is on the way. You will get unexpected rewards for your past good work, and your life purpose is fully supported by the universe, Cancer. Yes, so ngayong 2025, kung makikita ka ng 888, so this is financial, materials, and abundance is on the way para sa inyo mga Cancer. Okay? Yes. So this is confirmation also, no? Dahil ngayong 2025 ay makatanggap pa ng susi. Susi ba ng bahay? Susi ba ng sasakyan? So that is materials, right? Yes. So you are very smart, Cancer. If you can see 444, you are being supported in all your decisions and goals. You're protected, so stay confident and authentic, Cancer. Yeah, you have a mission here on this earth, Cancer. You have a mission here. X is coming back. Oh, you're doing with purpose. Cancer. Again, it's coming out. Enemy cannot touch you. Of course, God our Father is with you. You are gifted. Money is coming for you easily. Comment ka dyan. Your wish will come true. If you can see 7-7, this means wonderful things are about to be happen ngayong 2025 sa inyo mga Cancer. It's time to change your life, Cancer, ngayong 2025. Okay, Cancer. It's time to change your life sa mga Cancer. Oh, again, it's time to change your life. Oh my goodness. Something great will happen for you this coming 2025, Cancer. The entire universe is working behind the scenes to surprise you in the most beautiful and unexpected ways, Cancer. Yes. So, yeah, again, it's time to change your life. Oh, okay. It's time, yes, of course. It's time to change your life, Cancer. 3 times coming out the card. It's time to change your life. Yes, this is big transformation. Rebirth, bagong pagkatao. So this is confirmation, no? Ngayong 2025. Yes, confirmation also. Shine like a sun. Nasisinagad na ng araw ang mga Cancer. Alright. So that's all for this coming 2025 Cancer. Hope you like it. Huwag kalimutang mag-comment. I love to hear your comment. At huwag kalimutang ding i-share ang video ito. Sharing is caring. Alright, so see you in my next video. Bye-bye.